Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Fun Science in Music. Today I will perform some amazing balloon experiments.
Experiment is how to blow a balloon with Eno and water. So let's get started.
Can you put a needle inside a balloon? Probably it will burst. But if you put soap on the needle, it will not burst.